आज एक फिर से नया ड्राई फ्रूट। ओह फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको बताना तो भूल ही गई। चलो अब इसे ओपन करके इसके क्या बोलते हैं बेनिफिट्स। ओह, मैं आपको इसका नाम बताना भी भूल गई। इसका नाम है कीमिया डेट्स। अब इसके बेनिफिट जानते हैं।
ये हमें सर्दियों में खाना चाहिए। आराध्या, डू यू नो कीमिया डेट्स को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
खजूर।
वेरी गुड। सो इफ यू डोंट नो द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ कीमिया डेट्स?
नो।
ओके, सो अब मैं आपको इसके बेनिफिट्स बताती हूँ। खजूर खाने से क्या होता है? कब्ज समेत पेट की इसरी तकलीफों से छुटकारा मिलता है। ओके, खजूर को चावल के पानी के साथ पीस कर बच्चे को खिलाने से उसका अच्छे से विकास होता है। ओके, छोटे बच्चे जो होते हैं ना, उनको इस खजूर को चावल के साथ चावल पानी के साथ अगर पीस कर खिलाते हैं ना, तो उनका विकास और जो पोषण होता है वो अच्छे से होता है। Health benefits of dates. Here are only a few of the reasons why you should eat dates regularly. Okay. Lowers cholesterol. Did you know that dates are free from cholesterol and contain very little fat? Dates are free from cholesterol and contain very little fat. Including them in smaller quantities in your daily diet can help you keep a check on cholesterol levels and even assist in weight loss. So start loading up on dates today. So इसमें आपको पता चली क्या होगा? कुछ बेनिफिट्स तो आपको पता चली गए होंगे। लोअर्स कोलेस्ट्रॉल, ये कोलेस्ट्रॉल को लो करता है और इसे आप अपनी डेली डाइट में ज़रूर इंक्लूड करना। प्रोटीन रिच. Looking to load upon proteins, adding some dates in your diet may help. Dates are a strong source for proteins that help us in staying fit and even keep our muscles strong. A lot of regular gym goers are asked to eat a couple of dates every day as part of their daily routine. रिच इन विटामिन. अब प्रोटीन में तो ये रिच है ही, अब इसमें विटामिन भी है। आराध्या, आपको पता है?
No.
Dates contains vitamins such as B1, B2, B3 and B5 as well as A1 and C. If you have a few dates every day, you won't have to take vitamin supplements. Not only will it keep you healthy, there will be a noticeable change in your energy levels as well, because dates contain natural sugar such as glucose, sucrose and fructose too. So it works really well as a quick snack. Improves bone health. Dates also improves bone health. Dates could do wonders for your bone health too. Yes, you heard us. Dates are rich in selenium, magnesium, copper and magnesium. And all of these are required when it comes to keeping our bones healthy and preventing conditions such porosis. Strengthens the nervous system. Dates are loaded with potassium and yet contain little sodium, and that goes a long way in keeping your nervous system in order. The potassium helps to reduce cholesterol and keeps the risk of a stroke in check. Rich in iron. Apart from the fluorine that keeps your teeth healthy, dates also contain iron, which is highly recommended for those who suffer from iron deficiency. Severe iron deficiency anemia may cause fatigue or tiredness, shortness of breath or chest pain. Plus, it's great for blood purification as well. Promotes digestion. If you soak a few dates in water and chew on them daily, your digestive system will behave itself very well. Due to its high fiber content, it is also recommended for those who have trouble with constipation. Improves skin. The vitamin C and D works on your skin's elasticity. elasticity and also keeps your skin smooth. Plus, if you suffer from skin problems, incorporating dates into your diet might help you in the long run. Plus, dates also come with anti-agency benefits and prevent the accumulation of melanin in your body. Fixes hangovers. While we haven't exactly tired it out, but it's said that dates are an excellent way to control inebriation, and similarly, it also helps to cure hangovers. But for best results, you have to rub the skin a bit and soak it in water overnight and then eat it. Assists in weight gain. The sugar, proteins, and other vitamins in the fruit help in weight gains, especially when you need it. Incidentally, it's said that when eaten with cucumber, dates help to keep your weight at a normal level. Now that's we call flexibility. आराध्या, आपको समझ आए इसके बेनिफिट्स?
Yes.
आपने देखा कीमिया डेट्स के कितने सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. इसे हम खाते हैं तो हमारी स्किन अच्छी होती है. इसमें इतने सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, इतने सारे विटामिन्स होते हैं, प्रोटीन होते हैं. इसको क्या कहते हैं आराध्या, आपको पता है? स्पेशली इसे कहते हैं, कीमिया डेट्स को सर्दियों का मेवा कहा जाता है. इसको सर्दियों में बहुत खाया जाता है ना, और ये टेस्टी भी होता है. आराध्या लाइक्स कीमिया डेट्स ना. Okay, so if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any suggestions, then write in the comment section and click the bell icon near the subscribe button to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Bye everyone.
Bye.